Hello friend, welcome again in Mind Thunder. So in today's video is going to be very special for you because today I'm going to talk about Redmi handset and many complaints are coming in the comment section on Redmi. So today's video is only for Redmi, which is very valuable. So just follow with us and unlock your phone. You just have to watch this video till the end without a skip. Then you can understand this whole process and you can unlock any Android phone only sitting at home. So let us start the process. As you can see that the handset that I have is pin locked. Now you can see, you can able to see there is pin locked and we already forgot the password. Then in this case how we can unlock our phone. So I am going to tell you some simple step and you can unlock your phone sitting at home, and this method is called offline method and none of your application of data will be deleted in this. So one thing you have to take care, your phone should be must in flight mode and your battery percentage minimum 40 to 50%. So now we are going to take next step. First we have to press on emergency call button, and I'm going to give you some secret code, and this code is very important, and this is the main important message I'm telling. In this code may support in many handset and but may not support in many handset, and this code is valid for only for 1 month from this video uploaded. So friend, you have to just apply some simple code for only Redmi viewers, and now you can apply this code and unlock your phone. Now you can see this code is a star hash 96580 a star 789. I'm going to zoom. If you want to take note down, if you please note down. If you want to take a screenshot, please take a screenshot. Now we have to you have to press call button here three time, minimum three time. You can see call failed option top of message coming, so ignore this message and now erase these numbers and apply a star hash 899, and after that we have to press. After press you can see engineer mode page is activated on your screen now. So there are lots of option is coming. First you have to check on manual test and go the device debugging page. Another one, check your proximity sensor test and proximity calibration and confirm here. After that you come back from this option and press sensor self test calibration and press the both the option on the same time. Don't delay, press on the same time. Now you can see gyroscope is a text fast. So come back from this option again. Now the last and important step is, after swiping the last, you can see others option is coming, and now you can see there are 4 5 option is given. So what your Android version, database version, mainboard version, whatever it is. So first you check your Android version. How can we can check our Android version? So come back from this option and now you can check software version. So Android version is 12. So press the same 12 time here, 12 time. Whatever it is, your Android version is 10, press the same. If your Android version is 6, you press the same and come back from this option and go the again manual test and the last others option. Have to press rewrite importing log test and confirm here on the first time, and you can see wrong password reset. Your password is reset now. Now it's done. After completing all the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is locked or unlocked. As you can see my friend, our phone is unlocked without help of any computer and without loss of any data or application. So I hope you guys this video, you like this video. When you will see the next video, and subscribe our channel, like and share.